Yo, what is good, everybody? So it is your boy Sire. So I'm gonna start doing trade market recaps every single day. This is my first one that I'm gonna be going over what the bias was, what happened, what went down, what price did for the day. So yeah, let's get started. So today, pretty easy day to be honest. I didn't get to actually trade any of this, but during pre-market, we had a bearish SMT, and then we also had a sweep of this liquidity above as well here, and then we had clear targets to the sell side liquidity down here. So you could have taken any sort of like short position from like here. Either you could have taken a short from getting filled inside of this fair value gap, or even taking this for inverse right here as well too. Either one would have been good or risk to reward. Right here, I mean, this whole move right here was down near 90 points, so you could have definitely made money. This would have been the ideal position for the day today. A lot of people caught this trade. I know, like Justin Werland ended up catching this trade, so this was probably the best trade you could have taken today. But after this, if you go over into the higher time frame, like say the 15-minute, that liquidity that we targeted, we ended up coming down. We swept it. We took out that liquidity, and then we also came back up. We didn't close below any of this, so we didn't even inverse this 15-minute gap down here. So we had bullish order flow. We came down, we swept the liquidity, we came back up, and then we didn't even close inside the gap. We came back up. During market open, price came back up. We inversed this gap as well over here. And then we ended up clearing out all the buy side liquidity that we had up here as well. So my bias for today was actually bullish. So the reason why I was bullish today was if you go into the 30-minute chart right here, we have this nice 30-minute fair value gap over here. I was watching price as we were over here. When we were up into this area, once we closed above this gap over here, this is telling me that we're probably most likely going to come up to this sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity up here. I was looking for this target up here, the 856 level, this nice little internal high above right here. I still think this ends up hitting up, so I ended up taking out some long positions for the day. So overall today, market structure was bullish. We had really no momentum to the downside. I mean, this entire move after we came back down, swept the sell side liquidity, we just kind of kept it expanding for the rest of the day. So today was definitely a higher time frame bullish bias for the day. I ended up taking a couple longs, so I ended up buying here, and then I sold a bit at the top. I was just catching the trend. I didn't really catch my setup at all. Like I said, the ideal entry would have been this one right here. But I mean, overall, this was a clean day, and then yeah, this will be the quick little market recap video for the day. I'm gonna start posting these a lot more often. I'm gonna start getting more in depth as well too. This is kind of like my first video, just like testing out the waters to see how I do. But yeah, that's it for today, and then I'll end up letting you guys know if we do end up taking out this buy side liquidity above as well here. Thank you guys. Have a good rest of your day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and keep posted up with my videos.